Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread varieties easy guide. Start by gathering ingredients and tools, then measure ingredients precisely and select the right flour. Mix, knead, and monitor dough temperature to encourage good gluten formation. Let dough rise until doubled and handled gently to preserve gas. Practice techniques one loaf at a time to build confidence and notice differences in crust, crumb, and flavor. Choosing the right ingredients makes all the difference. Start with flour selection, then balance water, salt, and yeast for predictable fermentation. Hydration levels change crumb and crust, so adjust slowly and keep notes. Try whole wheat, rye, or enriched doughs one at a time to learn their needs. Simple swaps like olive oil or milk alter softness and flavor, letting you create sandwich loaves, rustic boules, or seeded breads easily. Quick recommendation and quick break. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel, everyone. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and hands-free timers into your kitchen while you knead and proof dough. It's compact, affordable, and makes baking calmer with voice timers and recipe prompts. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Shaping and baking decide your loaf's final character. After the first rise, degas gently and perform tight shaping to create surface tension for oven spring. Score the dough to control expansion and preheat your oven thoroughly to the target temperature. Add steam in the first minutes to crisp the crust and promote expansion. Bake until internal temperature reaches about 200 degrees F for most breads, then cool on a rack before slicing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.